Hey guys, today's video is going to be a haul, but before I get into this video, I wanted to talk about something. So I woke up yesterday morning to find out that I no longer have channel memberships on my YouTube channel. I don't know what the hell's going on. I got a bunch of emails and DMs from you guys asking me, you know, what's going on. Someone was even like, did I do something to offend you? And I'm like, no, I don't know what's going on. I don't have channel memberships anymore. So yeah, I have reached out to YouTube. I reached out yesterday. I don't know, it was Sunday. I haven't heard back from them yet. So yeah, I'm just like super confused. I don't know, it literally just disappeared. I don't know what's going on with that, but I will let you guys know as soon as I find out. I know that like everyone was refunded. So I don't know what's going on. One of you guys asked if there's like a certain amount of content that you have to do each month to like be able to have channel memberships, and I don't think so. I don't know. And like I said, I've contacted YouTube and I just have to wait to hear back from them to see what they say. So this video is going to be a haul video. I'm going to show you guys some things that I purchased on Poshmark and at different thrift stores. I have a lot of stuff, but I grabbed some things because I've already put some things away. So I don't know. I just grabbed the things that I thought you guys would want to see, or that I want you guys to see, or I don't know. I just got a pile, okay? Okay, so I've got some Lululemon leggings. I don't know what these are called. They're like an olive green color. They are a size 4 with a size dot in the pocket. And they're cropped leggings. They have like this like rubbery design on them. Do you see that? Oh, and it's got the, oh, that's cute. It's got like the Lululemon logo in like the leaves. Are they leaves? Yeah, I think they're leaves. But this is what they look like this. And like I said, what is that? Oh, just a fuzzball. Cuffed and cropped. So that's what they look like. Again, I'm gonna have to do research. Guys, Lululemon makes so many different types of leggings, so many different types of tank tops. Like, holy shit balls, do they have a lot of tank tops. Okay, I got another pair. These are a size 8. I think the seller told me these were a size 6. Yeah, the seller said these are a size 6. So I feel like a lot of people that buy Lululemon stuff don't know where like the size tags are. So on leggings, if they have a pocket in the back, usually it's in the pocket, or the other ones had like a little pocket in the front like that. I mean, you can Google it, but they hide them in all different places. Yeah, so these are a size 8, and I don't know what these guys are called, but they are gray like this. And then we've got some mesh right there, and at the bottom there's the logo, and these are crop leggings as well. Okay, these ones are pretty. They are a floral pattern. I believe these are the Wonder Under. Actually, they don't have pockets. I thought the Wonder Under leggings have pockets. The size like tag is ripped off this, and I don't know where the size dot on this one is. In the listing it says that they're size 4, so I will do measurements just to make sure, because obviously this person was off with the other measurement. So these are really cute. I might keep these actually. I always run into that problem. I need to stop buying styles that I like. But then on the flip side, you know, if it takes a while to sell or if it doesn't sell, then I can always wear it. Anyway, these are really cute. Floral crop legging. I'll just get all the Lululemon out of the way. So this is a scoop neck tank. This is a size, I get a visitor at my door, size 10. As you can see, this on the tank tops, it's in the left boob. In the left boob. What? No, it's not? Are you sure? The built-in bra, but no pads. And then the back looks like that. You just got a little mesh detail right there. There's that. Again, this one is a size 10. This one has some fun colors, like pink and purple and blue. The back looks like that. Cute. This one I think it also is a size 8. Yes, this is called the two in run tank, and it's really cute. Looks like that. Sports bra material up here, and then this is like flowy. I like the back a lot. It's really cute. Cute. I found some Ivy Park leggings at Salvation Army. So I went to Salvation Army. I usually don't go there. And I found a bunch of good stuff there, and it's so cheap. Salvation Army is definitely like the cheapest. So yeah, I found these Ivy Park leggings. They're size extra, extra small, so super tiny. But yeah, they look like this. And they just say Ivy Park on the sides. And they're in excellent condition. No like pilling at the crotch. They're like in excellent condition, like never been worn condition. Some Free People. I don't know if I showed these shorts in my last haul. I'm just gonna show them again. So these are size 25 and they're really cute. They just have stripes and they're distressed. Super cute. This is a Free People shirt. This is size small. It's long sleeve, very lightweight, but look at the like beading on the neck. How cute is that? Yes. And then the back looks like that. More Free People. This is just a flowy tank. Sorry, everything is like out of the wash. So it's all like, yeah, da, da, da. This is a size small. Looks like this. It's like, I don't know, 2 different layers right here. Really cute, really pretty blue color. Another Free People shirt. This is a size medium. This is really, really pretty. Long sleeve. Like that at the bottom, and then the back, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up on camera, but it's like kind of see-through, and you can see like the design. I don't know if I hold it close enough. I know it's super wrinkled. Again, just came out of the wash. Everything will be steamed, don't worry. Oh wait, maybe if I go like that, yeah, you can kind of see the design. I'm gonna pull random stuff now. This is from Miss Look. I'm not familiar with this brand. I just bought this based off style. This is a size large, and it's just like a kind of like lightweight Western Aztec-y jacket, and it's like, I don't know. I liked it. I thought it was cool. That it has like a fleece collar. I don't know. I thought it was cool. Buttons. I don't know. These are super cute, and I might keep them for myself because they're my size. They're American Eagle. Guys, I love American Eagle jeans. They are so comfortable. American Eagle jeans and AG jeans are my favorite jeans. I love them, and it's quite a price difference between the two as well. So yeah, these are just American Eagle stretch jeggings. They're a size 4, and they're purple and polka dots, and they're just so freaking cute. Like, just, I might keep them unless somebody buys them for full price. They're cute. This is a Roxy Sweater. This is a size extra small. I found this at Salvation Army. It's in excellent condition, and I love the colors. Like, how fun. It's got a V-neck. It's got a little kangaroo pocket right there and a hood. Like, super fun. All right, this is totally random, but I know like PlayStation freaking whatever just came out, and so I saw this. I'm like, yeah, just like, yeah. It's a PlayStation like sweater, and it's a men's small, and it looks like this. You know, I feel like it's like a play on like the ugly Christmas sweaters, but it's like a, what is this material? Oh, it's polyester. The inside is super soft though. Like, when I think polyester, I think of like uncomfortable, but no. So that's what it looks like. And there's the back. I don't know. So random. Madewell, again, this was something I got at Salvation Army. This is a size large. And it's just a really pretty gray and cream sweater. It does have some pilling, so it is gonna need a good shave, good sweater shave, but yeah, otherwise in really, really good condition. An Adidas jacket. Let me zip it up. It's got the 3 stripes, and it's got the trefoil, however you pronounce it, logo on the back. I've sold this exact jacket before. Like a track jacket, track jacket material. Looks like that. And on the back, it looks like that. This is a size small, and it's in excellent condition. A dress from Lulu's. This is a size medium, and this is just like a sleeveless, lightweight dress thing. Muumuu? Is this a muumuu? I don't know. Let's just call it a dress. I can't hold it up so you guys can see. There we go. It's kind of unbuttoned. And it has pockets too. I got a Nike hoodie. This is a size girls extra large, but it fits a women's small. So it was originally pink and I bleached it. Oh, where we go? There we go. There we go. Looks like that. On the back. The sweatshirt is super cute. It's from American Eagle. It is a size medium and it's just bright yellow and says Sunkissed on it. Like, how cute is that? Who's texting me? Hello. It does have a couple of stains though. Where did they go? Where did they go? There's one on the arm that's not super noticeable. See? It's so noticeable I can't even find it. Oh, right here. Can you guys even see that right there? Okay, this was a score. I got this at the Goodwill Dollar Day. This is an Athleta size small sweater dress and it's so cute. This is gonna be perfect for even like, I was gonna say fall, but even winter time with like some cute boots. So cute. So cute. Looks like that. And it's long like that. Like, this is so adorable. And it's really soft too. Okay, this I picked up just based on style. It is a cowl neck sweatshirt from American Living. I've never heard of that brand before. It's a size medium, but I just like the style and the colors on it. I don't know. I don't know. Right. This dress is Bowden. This is a size 8 and it's just a really lightweight like sweater dress. It's like a taupey color. The waist has like a little tie so you can cinch it. Another Lululemon tank top. This one has the tear tag, rip tag, whatever you call this. Size 6. And this one is, I forgot what this one's called. I forgot. But it looks like this. It's got the built-in, oh, it's like cross back. Cross something tank. I don't know. It's hot pink. Looks like this. And the back looks like that. Okay, I'm gonna end this with a bunch of denim. So these shorts are Zara. They're a size 2 and I thought they were cute. I liked the little pattern on the side and the distressing, and that's what the back looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but the button is like a, oh, don't look at my nails, like a little lion guy. Roar. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the rest quickly. So we have some Joe's jeans. These are the Flawless, the Icon mid-rise skinny ankle jeans. They're size 25, really pretty pink color. We have some distressing and then raw hem. Super cute. Joe's jeans I find are either hit or miss. Something unique like that will sell, although that's kind of a smaller size. These are so cute. They're from American Eagle. They're the Next Level stretch pants. They're a size 00, so very tiny, but look how cute they are. I love the stripes. Even the cashier was like, oh, those are cute. Look like that. Okay, have some cut from the cloth Nicole high-rise boot cut jeans, size 4. Look at that. Boot cut. There's the bum. I feel like this is another brand that is hit or miss for me. I find it all the time, but I'm very selective with the styles that I pick up. This is also cut from the cloth. I've sold this style before, so I picked it up again. It's the Mia Toothpick Skinny, size 6. Yeah, there's some skinny jeans. Okay, this brand I never heard of before, but I just picked it up based on style. It's called Click B. It's definitely a junior's brand because it's a size 5. But I don't know, I thought these were cute. So they're skinny jeans, a little bit of distressing, raw hem, and then, I don't know, the bottoms, like the back, has this little, like, almost looks like Tommy Hilfiger colors on the back. I don't know, I just thought they were cute. I don't know if they're gonna sell for much. We'll see. Okay, another brand that I have not heard of, I just picked it up based on style. It's Chiggle, C-H-I-G-L-E. This is a size small, and it's just a crop jean jacket. But it is super cute with the distressing, like really cute, really cute. These are Bongo Jeans. They're a size 5. I picked them up because how cute is that random ass patch that's right there? Is that Saturn? I think that's Saturn. Like, how cute is that? I don't know. I just thought they looked cool. They're cuffed. The back looks like that. And then we have some Hollister. Why am I yelling? Hollister! Distressed jean shorts. They're a size 5 or 27. I thought these were cute. Distressed with like the white, you know, and the distressed and the raw hem. I don't know, super cute. And then I thought these would be cute for 4th of July. So they're from Delia's. Is anyone old like me and you used to get the Delia's catalog in the mail? Or Alloy, do you guys remember Alloy? I used to get that catalog in the mail, like catalog, like a magazine. It was a catalog, yeah. But I used to get that in the mail and Delia's, and you used to, could you call in your orders? I don't think so. I think you had to mail in your order. I don't remember. This was like middle school for me. So yeah, I used to get clothes from Delia's all the time. Oh my gosh. And apparently there's still a thing. I think there's a Delia's store. Did I see a Delia's store at the mall? It's been a long time since I've been to the mall, but I feel like there's a Delia's store. So yeah, so these are just fun for the 4th of July. They're a size 7, 8. They're just distressed shorts with like the American flag as a pocket. Like, I don't know. I thought that was super cute. And they're cuffed. And that's what the back looks like. Okay, I'm gonna go now because my throat hurts from talking so much. If there's anything in this video that you guys like and you want to purchase, you should check out my Poshmark closet. I will have everything listed by the time this video is up. Yeah, but that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.